The Ministry of Labour and Social Security says the recipients of the R.O.O.F.S program must use the grants within 3 months of receiving it, or else. The comments made during post-cabinet press briefing on Wednesday comes on the heels of a huge demand for assistance following Hurricane Melissa. We have the details in this report.
When you receive your text message or your QR code, it is not to be put on the shelf or in your pocket for weeks. The QR code and text message will have an expiration date applied to it.
A warning to recipients of the Restoration of Owner or Occupant Family Shelters R.O.O.F.S program by Minister of Labour and Social Security Pernell Charles Jr. Minister Charles Jr. didn't say which date the grants will expire, only that they must be used by June.
Within the next 3 weeks, you should try your best to do your redemption. The expiration will come, right? Will come at least within the next 3 months, but it's going to be done in batches. So you first batch, you have to go now.
$5.2 billion have been dispersed to hardware stores across the island, benefiting nearly 19,000 people.
From the minor category, we have a value of $108 million paid out. From the major category, $2.37 billion paid out. And from the severe category, $2.74 billion. And that's money that has now been issued to our provider for them to send out to the beneficiaries.
Damage from Hurricane Melissa has been categorized as minor, major, and severe, with grants ranging from $75,000 to $500,000. According to the ministry, those who receive minor damage are not limited to use the funds for home repairs.
For the major and severe, you have that $75,000 portion, again, that you can do whatever you want. But for the $125,000 and the $425,000, it must be for repair of the home. So that is the portion that is restricted. And that is a portion that you have to now go to one of our stores. And we have a list of hardware locations, and you also receive a list with your QR code or your text message that guides you.
Sitting front row was head of the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA, Colonel Desmond Edwards. MOCA has been tasked to investigate reports of fraud. When asked about investigations into the program, the ministry said it was not aware of any. As for whether it will launch its own probe into possible misuse of funds.
Our social workers and the parish office teams, inspectors, clerks, all of them are out. And insofar as possible and practical, we're trying to make sure that we do those post-coverage observations and assessments that would allow for us to confirm that you move from redemption to restoration. Now, you can't do every single one, but a sampling is utilized, and they do have their formula in terms of ensuring that community by community. We also provide best practices, guidelines in terms of hurricane shutters and other things, while also ensuring that the materials are being used for the right purpose.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.